once again welcome to the channel. So today video is about that how you switch on the targets and get their data from AIS, from ARPA, anything. So as of now you can see that this is the Transas ECDIS. Basically the name is now changed to Wärtsilä, so basically it's a Wärtsilä ECDIS now. So as you can see that when we move to the top right corner, so we will see that there are selections, different selections. One is for the overlay, AIS and ARPA. As of now I have already selected the targets. This is AIS is highlighted and the ARPA is highlighted, so you can change also the radar, which one ARPA you want to know, both or on or whatever you like. So we will come here. As you can see that there is numerous AIS targets on the screen. So once what you do, when you click on the AIS, as this is not highlighted now, you can see that only ARPA targets, these two ARPA targets I have selected on the radar are now visible. If I even click this one, this targets will also disappear. So basically what you have to do to switch on to AIS targets, you will just click on this button which is on the top right corner and display AIS targets. So all the AIS targets will display on the screen. Same way, if you want to see the ARPA targets, you will click on the ARPA screen and this ARPA targets will appear also. For example, if I remove this AIS, so these are the ARPA targets. Actually they are also showing their AIS, that's why you cannot see them visibly, because they got hide behind their AIS data. So this is just only ARPA now. So these two targets I have selected, you can see in my radar, already selected in the radar, so that's why you can see them. So if you want to know their data, you can just click on them, they will show you the data. Basically this is the overlay of the radar. Whatever radar is getting feed, it is giving to the ECDIS. Same way, if you go to this, I will switch on the AIS. As soon as the AIS is switched on, you can see that it's already showing the, for example, you want to know about this stalled Betula, so you will click and it will show you all the data of this stalled Betula. Same way, like this ship, some small boat is coming, it will give all the data of this. So this is the procedure how you switch on the AIS and ARPA targets display in the Wärtsilä ECDIS. So if you have any doubts regarding this video, you can post down the comments.